Think bigger with Trotec's large wood sheet range. With a range of finishes, the production of large signs, creative projects, model making elements and batch production is a fast and efficient task. 5 large wood veneer sheets each feature real wood laminated over a formaldehyde-free MDF core. Every sheet is laser optimized for clean, consistent results, with the veneer's cut edges offering a similar finish to solid woods. Larger sheet sizes are ideal for mass-producing products or creating large signs and displays in a single job with no additional assembly. The lacquered surface is easy to clean, reducing post-production to a minimum. TroWood MDF and MDF Black are also available in large sheet sizes. And if you're using a smaller laser, every finish is also available in 600 by 300mm sheets, perfect for prototyping, small-scale production and more. Make bigger better with Trotec's 1220 by 610mm wood sheets.